Hello lovely people! Welcome to another brand new makeup tutorial. For this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I created my pink and purple graphic liner makeup tutorial. If you want to know how I created this makeup look, then join me guys. Alright you guys, let's start priming our eyes with Tarte Cosmetics concealer. Let's spread that concealer to the areas where we have to lay down our eyeshadow. I'm using a concealer brush that I got from Noon, a local online shop here in Dubai. I won't mention the brand because later I found out that this was a copycat. The price was so cheap, but the quality is okay that I can work with it. It's time for the eyeshadow and I'm using Morphe X James Charles, the mini palette. A lot of colors here to play around. Picking up the light pink and dark pink combined for my base eyeshadow. Blending the eyeshadow all over my crease using the blending brush from 𝓁𝒾𝓃𝑒. Now going back to dark pink for my lid. I'm pressing the color using the smaller shader brush, smudging it to bring out the vibrant pink eyeshadow. Let's do the graphic line with the purple liquid liner from NYX Professional Makeup, making the line just below my brow line where my eyeshadow ends. I started the line from middle to end and from bridge to middle, just how I do my eyebrow. This is how it works for me to create the graphic liner. And to connect the line, I'm creating a winged liner at my outer V. And I'm adding a sharp line at my tear duct. And finishing my pink and purple graphic liner makeup look with some volume lashes. Alright you guys, hope you enjoy watching this makeup tutorial and see you in my next one. Goodbye!